Hello, welcome to the Model TV. I'm happy to have you here. Today we will be designing this beautiful trending headband, the Braided Macho Headband Fascinator. Mine is a detachable fascinator. You can remove it and use it just like this, or you can attach the fascinator. So first of all, let's design the detachable fascinator using crinoline. So I'll be piping my crinoline with ribbon. You can use any ribbon of your choice for this. So it's just to sew the ribbon to the crinoline edge. That's just it. So I'm doing the sewing now. You can use bias, mind you. If you don't want to use ribbon, you can use bias for this and it will still be very beautiful. So I'm using 4 yards of crinoline for the detachable fascinator. You can use lace, you can use more. Meanwhile, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, please hit the subscription button. Remember to like this video, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. Have you heard of a detachable design of this braided fascinator, this braided headband? If you haven't, I'm designing one, so watch the video till the end to see how to braid the headband, what we are using for the braided headband, and how we are doing it. So don't just stop watching, keep watching till the end. So I'm done with the sewing. I will now be pleating the crinoline to form a fascinator. This is after I had dragged the original thread in the crinoline to have a little twist. So I'm picking it, pleating it. Done with the pleating, we'll close it up. You put both sides together and sew it up. Just very simple crinoline design that we are using here, and this is beginners friendly. This is like the foundation of millennium work. This design is very simple, so I'll allow you to watch the video quietly while you learn the processes involved, though I'll be coming in intermittently, but the video is self-explanatory, so keep watching. Remember, we are just starting and this is just the detachable fascinator. You need to watch it to see how to make the braided headband. So while doing this, you have to make your sewing firm and very neat. Okay. And I will be using a clip such that you can just clip it to the braided headband. So keep watching so that you see how I am doing that. I'll show you how I did the attachment after the design. Keep watching, learn while you enjoy the process. It's simple very simple, and it doesn't take time. So I'm doing the finishing. I had to place a warden using candle gum and give it a press for it to hold firmly. I will be attaching the clip, the hair clip, using my candle gum. You have to make this very neat, no stains. Press it down, and I will also advise that if you have black warden, you use black. Or okay, so we get to our braided headband. So the width of this material that I'm sewing is 3 inch. You can make yours bigger, like 4 inch. I think 4 inch is very big. You can make it 2 inch, you can make it 1, depending on how big you want your headband to be, like the braided headband to be. That is how you measure the width. You can use 1 inch, you can use 2 inch, you can use 3 inch, you can use 4. You want it to be very big, very bold, but 3 is okay, sizable. And I'm done with the sewing. So depends on the strap that you are using, 3, 4, and the length will depend on the circumference of your head. So this is fiber, material is called fiber. You stuck in the fiber into the material that you've sewn. Remember, you close the sewing at the end such that you can stuck the fiber in and it stands. And you do that to all the strands. If you want 3, you do it for 3. You want 2, you do it for 2. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment and share. So you use your scissors or anything that you can use to push it in. Make sure that it is well stuck up, no space in between. You have to use your hand and press it down and make sure that everything is stuck up. So this is the major work in this design, and this is the core, the entire design. When you are done do that, now put the edges together and sew it up. You can use your sewing machine, you can use your hand, depending on which you are comfortable with, neatly. So if you observed very well, I had to use another material, though the same fabric, but I had to join that part, that small part, so that I will use it to cover both of them and sew it together neatly. And it is preferable that you use a stretching material, so that even if the circumference of your head, maybe if you wear a wig and it gets bigger, the material will stretch and it will still enter. So note this point: use a material that stretch. Do not use a fabric that does not stretch for this design. Okay, so this is the main thing, the braiding, where we derive the name braided. So this is the braiding. This is twisting. You can decide to do the other braiding style with 3 strands, but this is what I wanted, twisting. So you put the edges together and sew it neatly. So with this, our braided fascinator is almost ready. Okay, it is ready. How do you see the process? Is it easy? Leave a comment in the comment section and like this video. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment for me. So can you see this? I just carried the fascinator and put on the braided headband to a braided headband fascinator. So this is how it looks like. How is it? Is it beautiful? Do you like it? Let me hear from you in the comment section. So I love this style because you can just detach this and keep. If you feel it is not suitable for a particular dress, you just use the braided headband like this without the fascinator. You're simple, or your cloth is already very bogus and you just need a simple headwear. You use just this. So when you are looking for something loud, something that stands out in the crowd, something different, you attach the headband to the braided. You attach the fascinator to the braided, just like this. So this is a 2-in-1 design, a bit different from what you will see. Let me hear from you. Do you prefer this, or will you prefer the one that is permanently attached to the headband? Let me hear from you in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and always check on the Model TV for more videos like this. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to this channel before you leave, and give this video a like. See you in my next video. Thank you.